Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Guys, I am hopping on for just a really quick video. I want to share with you my everyday glam tablescape. A couple weeks back, we did the Glitz and Glam tablescape hosted by the lovely Marilyn. And I wanted to, I like that look so much, I decided to make, or at least incorporate parts of it into my everyday tablescape. So I just wanted to share this with you really quick. What I did, of course, I changed it up from the Glitz and Glam tablescape, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. I just fell in love with this Glitz and Glam look. So you see I have my plates and bowls. Guys, I picked these plates and bowls up at Walmart, believe it or not. I have the same napkins and napkin folds rather, and napkin rings that I used for that Glitz and Glam tablescape. But I just liked it so much that I decided to keep it. I changed out, like I said, quite a few things, but overall, I did keep quite a few of the elements. Changed out the centerpiece. That's a gold mercury vase. You guys have probably seen that a time or two. I use it in different places in my house. I added some of that greenery that I like to work with. And I've got mercury. I don't know if you can see that these are actually mercury too. And they match the vase. And some candle holders that I picked up at Ross, back when we could still shop at Ross, where I am. And got my gold placemats, matching runner. Anyway, like I said, this is a short video. I just wanted to share with you. I've had my table like this for about a week now, going on 2 weeks maybe. And that's a long time for me because I change it all the time. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. I hope everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful day. And there you go. That's another look. Again, I really just like it. So glamorous. You guys know I am a bling girl all the way. So anyway, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. We're going to have a great week. I just wanted to hop on and say hello to everyone. And I want to thank you. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much. If you're one of the folks that have been with me a long time, I thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. So again, have a fantastic, fantastic day. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.